Hello everyone, this is Joe. This video will demonstrate how to install this smoke detector camera in the ceiling. This is the warehouse scene. Now let's get started. It's the ceiling type we get from the ceiling. In order to fix the camera on the ceiling, we need to have 2 screws plus 1 big hole to pass through the connector. Now let's put the base on the ceiling. Before we fix the camera base, we need to check the shooting direction because there's no so much adjustment after we fix the camera. For example, if you would like the camera to see this way, but actually we fix the camera like this. After we put that the ceiling type, the camera may not see what we want to see. Alright, now we use pen to mark the point. This one for the screw, another one, also one hole for the connector. Okay, now let's start from the hole. We need a hole cutter. The dimension is around 25 to 30 millimeter. Okay, it's easy. Okay, later the connector will pass through this hole. Now we put the screw. And the second one. If you just worry the ceiling type is not strong enough to hold the camera, we can add one piece of wood at the opposite to hold the camera. So now let's hang the camera on the screw. And we fasten the screw. Done here. Now let's get back to the scene and put back the ceiling tight. This is the DC power cord with 12 voltage. We plan to connect the camera to our Wi-Fi, so there's no need for the RJ45 and Ethernet cable. We just need to power the camera. Now we put back the connection to the ceiling. Also the camera cover. And the screw. The second one. One advice, if you plan to use the Wi-Fi, test everything before you put the camera on the ceiling. You certainly don't want to interrupt your business. Okay, now the installation is complete. Let's go down and check the performance. Now we will log in the camera with the apps. This is the apps we install. I will click the camera. It's live now. Now let's switch to the full screen. Alright, that's all. If you want to learn more about this Wi-Fi Smoke Detector camera, please enter iForSpy.com.